COVID could be coming back for round two. Officials are calling it the 100-day cough. 100 days. It's an extremely contagious bacterial infection that's affecting the lungs and respiratory passages in children and adults. The bacteria could be spread from either sneezing or coughing, so it kind of explains why people are starting to wear masks outside again so often. Early symptoms can include mild fever, runny nose, cough, and even vomiting that can last for weeks up to months at a time. Oof. Right now it's sweeping across the UK with cases up over 250% compared to the last year. This whooping cough could be on its way to the US here this winter, so if I hear any more information, I'll keep you guys in the loop.